Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Today I have a really fun video for you. It is the before and after makeover of my daughter's bedrooms. So you know, we moved into our new home last August and I have been wanting to put wallpaper up in their bedrooms ever since we moved in. So this video is going to focus on the wallpaper that we chose as well as the bedding. There's more that I want to do to their rooms, but that's going to take a while. You know, we're gonna need artwork and other decorations, and I don't know when that's gonna happen. So I wanted to show you the before and after in this video. So for those of you who remember, we did wallpaper in our old home in Los Angeles, and the girls they shared a room back in that home, and we used Norwal wallpaper, and they have these just beautiful floral prints. I'm just flipping through the book here in this shot, and I just love Norwal prints. You know, I'm old-fashioned like that. My daughters, thankfully, they have the same taste, so it makes it easy. I just brought that book home from Sherwin-Williams and they were just flipping through it. They loved every single one. It was really hard to narrow it down. But I actually let them choose their own wallpaper, and they have their own rooms now. So I let them choose because I thought, you know what, I liked every pattern in the book, so I knew they weren't going to choose something that we would all regret later on. So I let them choose. And funny enough, my older daughter chose something that was almost exactly similar to what they had in their old room. This, it's like this violet, blue, purple, pretty flower vine print. And then my other daughter, my younger daughter, chose this striped one that actually goes with that wallpaper. So I was happy that they chose coordinating wallpapers. So I let them pick it out and we have the rooms done. So I'm going to show you the before and after. Also, another exciting thing is that they have new bedding, and this bedding is so awesome. It is from Beddys. If any of you have not heard of Beddys, it is the most innovative bedding design. I can't tell you how much I love it. So stay tuned for the video and I'm going to show you what is so cool about this bedding. Okay, so here we go. I am going to go back in time now and show you the before of their room.
So here's my older daughter's room, and there's a lot going on right now. We have people on our roof and the trash man just came, so that's what all the background noise is. But okay, so this is her room, and as you can see, the walls are this very plain putty color. And there she goes. That's her bed. She doesn't like the bed ruffle. I put it on and she takes it off. It's very strange, but anyway, it kind of bothers me, but she doesn't like it, so I'll leave it alone. That's her dresser. And we have some shutters there. And here is just a little desk, closet, and she has this full-length mirror, and that's her room. So it's actually quite a big room. And let's see, get it from this perspective. So the wallpaper is going to look so nice. There's a little fan in the ceiling, and this is the wallpaper that she's going to have. So it's this really pretty, just kind of like her old room back at our house in Los Angeles. She just really loved that, and so she wanted the same thing. Okay, and this is my younger daughter's room, and so it's actually, I think it's the same size, although it feels a little bit smaller. But this is her bed and her dollhouse, and we've got like some little stations here going on with the baby dolls. So cute, but okay. So here's the closet, and then here's this wall. They have an adjoining Jack and Jill bathroom, which is really nice. So this is her room, and it has the same kind of putty wall color, which is good, but just not for a little girl's room, you know. Look how cute this is. Just got to show you. This is their tea. So there's like Domino's. What else is on here? Looks like Worcestershire sauce and hand cream. There you go. Okay, so let me show you. This is the wallpaper that she chose, and this is kind of a bold choice, I think, with the stripes, but I think it's gonna just look really pretty. And then we did get the border too, so I'm going to decide tomorrow if I want them to put the border on. So, that is her room. Okay, so this is day one of the wallpaper, and they actually had to put up a base of wallpaper because we have textured walls in this house, and they of course have to make them flat, and so they put this base on. I don't know if you can tell see if I can get over in the light. But see, there's already a base layer of wallpaper. Now what's nice about this is that he said if we ever change our mind and want a different wallpaper, that it's quite easy to do because of this base. So that's good to know. Any people who are commitment phobic to wallpaper. So this is my older daughter's room. They haven't started my younger daughter's room. That's what it looks like so far.
And here is the after of my younger daughter's bedroom. So we're really happy with how the wallpaper turned out. The stripes weren't too much. It's just so pretty. Here's a close-up of it. The dolls are enjoying it very much. And she is just absolutely thrilled with it. She loves her choice. So this is the bedding that I've been raving about. So this is from Beddys, and I'll tell you what's so unique and innovative about it. First of all, isn't it pretty? This is the chic white style, and it just fits over your bed like a fitted sheet. And you zip it up like a sleeping bag, which makes it so easy for the kids to make their beds. And I'll show you exactly how I do that. As you can see, the inside is that really soft, slightly bumpy material that feels so good when you lay inside the bed. And you zip it down like this. So when they wake up in the morning, they already know how to make their beds, and it was very important for me to teach them that. But it's hard for them to make their beds when they're so short. But all they have to do is zip up their bed, and it just looks tailored and neat every time. And they love sleeping bags, so the concept of Beddys for them was so exciting. I'll show you here. This is how it works. So they just zip it down at night, and they get into the bed. And for me, it's so convenient because it just all fits on like a fitted sheet. It's just one giant piece. There's no duvet covers to wrestle with, no extraneous bedding. It's just one piece, and it all washes in one go. I just tell you, it's such a great design. I'm in love with it. So this is her room, and I style the bedding a different way. Sometimes I put a thick blanket on the end of it like this. Sometimes I just go with a chic white quilt at the end too, and it's just so pretty. It's so frilly. They have all different kinds of styles, but I just thought that the chic white would be perfect for her room. And this is a rose picked from our garden. So let's see my older daughter's room. This is how hers turned out. So pretty. As you can see, we need things on the walls, and we will eventually, collect paintings and different things like that. But for right now, this is what it looks like. And she has the exact same bedding on her bed. This is the chic white as well from Beddys. And they just love the bedding more than I do, if that's possible. These are her Imagination Station books. They're out of order, but she loves these books. And these are signed ballet shoes from a famous ballerina that her granny in England gave her, and they're very special to her. Here's a close-up of the wallpaper. Super pretty. I just love looking at, what they do. She styled this herself, and she wanted it shown in the video. And we have the other ballerina painting. These belong to my grandmother, their great-grandmother. And of course the dolls are chatting, very important for that, as well as the multiplication chart on the closet door. And there's her mirror. That is my older daughter's room. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Beddys for sending the bedding for my daughter's beds. Please let me know if you'd like to see more of a house tour from us, or if you'd like to see more makeover videos as we fix up our home. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time on the Daily Connoisseur. Bye!